Hey everyone, this is Chase, a Rocky Mountain ATVMC here with an awesome giveaway for the month of May. All right, we are back, another fantastic giveaway for the month of May, and for this month, we are giving away to 3 lucky winners a pair of the View Goggle coming from Fox Racing. We're gonna give away 2 pairs of the all black and a pair of the red. I actually own a pair of the View Goggles. I love these. Fox designed these exclusively with Ken Roxon. I think they hit a home run. Triple layer face foam is super comfortable. You've got an injection molded lens, so it's optically correct. And my favorite feature, I love how easy it is to interchange the lens on these. If you want to learn more about them and see how you change out the lens, watch the product spotlight where I talk about these in full detail. You're probably wondering, what do you have to do to win? 2 easy steps. First, be subscribed to our YouTube channel if you're not already. Once you're subscribed, all you gotta do is just comment below and let us know what colorway you would want, but also, I wanna know what it is that you love about Fox Racing the most. It could be their goggles, it could be their riding gear, their boots, their protective equipment. I just wanna know what it is about Fox Racing that you like the most. Once you've done those 2 easy steps, you will be automatically entered to win. Now, there's a couple things you wanna keep in mind. This contest is going to run from the 3rd through the 10th. After the 10th, we will select our 3 lucky winners, so it's very important. Make sure to check back to see if you have been chosen. Now, one more time from all of us here at Rocky Mountain ATVMC, myself included, we want to say thank you so much to everyone out there who supports us. That is why we do these giveaways every month, and that's why you want to be subscribed to our YouTube channel, so you always see the latest product spotlights, like the new V3 helmet that is brand new from Fox Racing, and you never miss out. I am Chase. We wish you luck.